I glued him to my hand. I glued him to my hand, guys. Why?
Woo! Okay. Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today I thought we would do a fun look. The Met Gala was the other day. I don't actually know anything about the Met Gala other than the fact that I watched like the highlights for fashion and makeup on like E! Channel or something. So this was her look. You guys could probably see it a lot better if you just, you know, Google it. But I thought we would try to recreate that since she did use a lot of her like beauty stuff. I don't know why I said she. She didn't do her own makeup. Makeup. Mario did her makeup, but he did do a product like description of what he used. So since I already have a lot of the stuff, I thought let's see if we can get a similar look. I do like how it turned out, so if you were interested in getting this look, let's go ahead and get into the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get into it. So guys, that I do not have vitamin C brightening cleansing pads, dragon blood cleansing water, dragon's blood sculpting gel. So I ain't got all that. So just we're gonna pretend that it's not there. I probably never will have it, but who cares? Okay. Now we will get it. Guys, so let's get started on this look. So I'm going to take the KKW and Mario palette. I felt weird just going in with the shade Albania in the crease, so I did go in with Miami first, just on a fluffy crease brush. I just always like to do a lighter crease shade first. So you're just going to blend that out. Just take your time with this. I take a lot of time blending. And then we are going to take the shade Albania. I'm going to do this on a Wayne Goss number 4 brush. If you ever have problems getting a shade nice and deep in the crease, this is a great brush. This is probably my favorite brush for that. So again, just take your time, add color in very nice and slowly. So next we're going to take the NYX Jumbo Pencil in 601 Black Bean. This is just a really black giant eye kohl. She does have these on her website, but I'm not going to pay, you know, 18 bucks for one when I can get a cheap NYX one. And I don't wear a lot of black anyway, so this is going to work. And I'm not being so precise. I'm just going to go over it with a little brush after to kind of define it a little bit more. So don't worry if you're messy in the beginning. It's totally fine. We're just going to go in and layer it with a little flat brush, so no worries. You're now going to take the Kat Von D Trooper eyeliner. This is great. It lasts a really long time and it's super precise. So we're just going to go take that into the inner tear duct. Now I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs eyeliner. It's the Highliner gel. You can take any black eyeliner you have. It will work as long as it's really dark, which I love these because they always go on super dark. And same kind of thing, I am going to smudge it out with a brush, so you don't need to be super precise. Just try not to stab yourself in the eye like I did, and you'll be okay. So again, take a little smudger brush. I did add a little bit of Albania on there, and you're just going to blend that out through the bottom. Alright, so again, you're going to take that Trooper liner and just really define that inner tear duct again and kind of go over any of the areas that aren't completely black. So it's just about going back in and making sure everything looks seamless at this point. I did realize that I blended a little bit too low and made it a little bit too smoky because that's what I'm used to doing. So I just took a little bit of concealer and now I'm going to take my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Alright, took me forever, but I did get my lashes on. I am super proud. This is like a moment to celebrate. It's been like a year since I wore lashes, so it was not easy. So I used the Duo Lash Glue. I used a new one with the green vitamins on it, so a lot of people said for sensitive eyes it works a lot better, so we will see if my eyes turn bright red and if it works. But I do love the look of lashes. I just don't like the process of, I almost glued an eye shut. I don't know, it was a long time. But anyways, let's move on to the face. So Let's go in with concealer first. All right, so I'm gonna go in with shade number 5, the KKW one. And the more I wear this, the more, shit. Okay, so this is the problem. That was lip gloss. I'm not kidding. How are you supposed to tell the difference between this? I like lined up all my crap and I put it next to this. So yeah, now I have sticky crap on my face. We're just gonna wipe it away and hope that it's fine. I don't know what else to do. Let me know if you guys have done that. But that's the problem with having crap that looks the same. So let's try this again. This is actually concealer. I probably should have waited for my lower lash line to do that, but I didn't. I got excited, guys. Okay. So let's be nice and brightened. I'm gonna take my Morphe sponge. This is probably right after my video. I'm just gonna go down the nose a little bit too. From Flagstaff that I told you guys I was going on, and it was awesome. I made it through all courses. You like swung from like, I don't know how high up it was. It was probably at least like 50 feet though, and it was really cool. Like you went through ropes, you carabined yourself in, you did like all this cool stuff. Like I was nervous at first and then I got super comfortable and I had a great time. My husband left me. He gave up on me for the last course, but he did record, so that was nice. But he was just like, nope, too high, not doing it, which really sucks because it was for his birthday, so hopefully he still had a good time, but yeah. All right, so after my damp sponge, okay. All right, so we're good. We didn't mess up the eyeshadow at all. Let's contour next. You guys like my train of thought? I don't know what I think about most of the time, but all right. So I do have her cream contour stick. This is in the shade medium. And I kind of already did a little mini review for you guys on this, but like, I don't really see it. Like I feel like it kind of blends away. I feel like you have to kind of be heavy-handed with it. Go right under the nose. But this is what I think. I don't know. I feel like it blends away compared to like, I usually use the foundation, I guess, for my cream contours, but let's do this really fast. I'm trying to start speeding up a little bit for you guys. That way I'm not just sitting here talking for 35 minutes. So if I'm going a little fast, that's why. But, oh, I don't know if you guys can see this like monster zip. Maybe it's not a zip and it's a bug bite, but it's huge. And I put on like the Mario Badescu cream for 2 days. Like, it's gotten smaller, but there's no, maybe it is just the bug bite. Maybe I got bit by a bug in Flagstaff, I don't know. But I hate it. Do you see what I mean? Like it's definitely there, but you have to kind of go in with a few streaks or else it just kind of disappears into my face. I don't have the KKW powder stuff. If you guys have tried it, let me know and if it's worth it, but I honestly I have too many powders anyway. So I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia matte bronzer in Saddle. Let me know other Met Gala looks you guys really liked. I don't know, I just saw them on e-news and like posting and stuff. I don't actually know anything about the Met Gala, but I did like the fashion and a lot of the makeup, so I wouldn't mind going through and trying to do some cool looks. Except for Katy Perry's. I don't like the whole giant freaking wing thing. I don't know. How do you do anything in that? How do you go to the bathroom? How do you, like, if you, I don't know. That was too much for me. My nose runs horribly when I wear foundation. Just letting you know. So, okay, so she was pretty bronzed. Let's do some baking. So I haven't actually tried out her powder yet, but I do have it, the KKW. Sorry, I'm gonna itch my nose. You're gonna deal with it. Ooh. Ah. Okay. I got the shade number 3. Like I said, the 3s work better. It does say in Mario's thing that he used like all the shade number 2 stuff, but shade number 2 is a pink tone. I am a yellow toned person. That is what I have decided. I just don't like it. Like the pink just doesn't do as much for me as the yellow. So I'm gonna go pretty light-handed. I am not someone who bakes. Go under my eyeballs. But there we go. And thank you guys so much for watching. I reached 100. I know that's not a big deal to some people, but the fact that it took me so long to get started and get equipment and like not be scared of what people would think or putting myself out there, like I'm really happy with that. So thank you guys for all your support. All right, I'm gonna go right under the cheekbone. Oh good, this has a mirror. Okay. Kind of just put my contour out a little bit. My underlayers look smooth. A lot of people said it was drying powder, like the powder was drying, but I mean, why do the dogs have to bark when they're filming? Why? And this is where I lose my train of thought. Anyways, I don't find it too dry. I don't usually do a lot of powders under my eyes, so nothing generally feels that drying, and because I'm not leaving it on, I don't think it matters. But I like the color. I mean, it's not like yellow, but it's nice. I like it. Let's move it along so that I'm not here wasting you guys' time. All right, let's do shade number 3 for brightening. This, I love. This is probably my favorite KKW purchase. Something I would actually repurchase. Like, I like my under eyes. I like the way they look with this. Yeah, you don't get a lot, but what can you do? I like it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And shade number 3 again. Shade number 3 works for me, except for the concealer in 5. So, all right, let's see what else she did. I'm gonna reference her. So, I did not have, obviously, I did style Lily lashes and style Iconic, yeah. And because I don't have the Lily lashes in style Goddess, which is what they used. But let's see. So you didn't say anything for blush. I think it's a little weird not to do any blush. So it is pretty neutral looking. Here you guys can see the picture of her. I don't know how well you can see that, but we are gonna do, what else do I need to do? And it doesn't look like she went crazy with highlighter either, like not even on her eyeballs. So I didn't use anything for my brow bone. I might. I haven't decided yet. I'm gonna use Nars Madly though for blush. It's just a really muted type color, so nothing crazy. So I'm just gonna be light-handed. But I think it's weird that she didn't wear any, maybe there's like a light highlight. So we will not go crazy. We will just do the tiniest bit. So I'm gonna grab my Hourglass, what is this? Ambient Strobe Light. I know this can be very strong, but I think I'm just gonna go super light-handed. I'm gonna take this middle shade and still just put it, even if I was just following her, I feel like you need it, right? She had a little bit down her nose, so. I do want to do something different. I just haven't decided what, like a different type of makeup look. I do actually really like to be like bright colors. I don't know. I need my creative juices to flow. So I'm gonna work on that this week and decide what I want to do with that. And I don't feel like there's too many makeup releases this month. I'm gonna wait for that mascara to dry and flick it off because of course I stabbed myself, which is usual. Yeah, just don't try to pick it off when it's wet, but it'll come off. All right, last thing was the lips. She doesn't have a lip liner, so I think we're gonna use Cork from MAC because it does say like lip liner is coming soon, but it looked like a brown. So we are just gonna do that real quick. And never realized how hard it was doing makeup while talking and while using one hand, like trying to hold a mirror. I am always in like a big mirror or a bathroom mirror. I'm sure as shit can't talk while I'm doing my lip liner. That's for sure. And obviously this is not going to be a perfect look, but it is my take on it, so. Alright, let's do her classic K. And I need to stop saying alright. I have no idea, but when I'm editing my videos, I'm like, why are you so annoying? What's wrong with you? Why do you talk like that? And then it makes me feel like, do I talk like that all the time? And I just never noticed? No one told me? Alright, so we're taking classic K. I don't think she has a gloss, so I am not going to use a gloss either. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys like it. Do you think it looks anything similar at all? I do like it. It's definitely, you know, it's dramatic, which it was supposed to be. So this is not the type of makeup I generally wear, but it's something new and different, and I do like it. My eyeballs are probably gonna kill me. The only thing with like these inner corner, like connecting the eyeliner all the way through, is that I tend to like get an, I don't know, I get like an itch and then I want to scratch it, and then, you know, it's not pretty after that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Thanks guys so much for watching. Tried to do the hair for you guys, but it just doesn't work on me. It just does not. Nope. I look ridiculous. Like, my hair just, that's not, it's not sexy like Kim. So, I don't know. Fix your own hair. I'm not a hair.
Am I not talented at this? Does that look nice? This is the look, guys. People that do this in 2 seconds, please teach me, because I don't get it. Nor do I have the patience. Like, I'm already just like, okay, I'm done. This is my first time using the duo glue. Like the green one, I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna do this off camera because we're gonna be here too long. And wish me luck.